Okay, so gantry is level, both sides are even. I have to start a test print. So that's the noise I'm trying to figure out.